Alright. I figured I'd just do a little short clip of this Sanitaire SC899H right here. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm just doing a short clip because I don't want to be wasting my work time making videos. So I'm working right now. But yeah, yeah, for those guys, and I know there's guys like Details and Noya and Fame, they don't have the time to be making super long videos either, so. And I'm kind of with them, so yeah. So I'm just gonna make short clips. So if you see me making short clips, that's why I'm working. So anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.